everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make kare udon for one. It's meal for one series today, and today's menu is kare udon noodles in creamy curry broth. It's super easy, too easy almost, but it tastes amazing. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kare udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. One portion of frozen udon noodles, Japanese curry cubes, 100 grams of thinly sliced pork. It's very thinly sliced, like shabu-shabu style. Half onion, 1 teaspoon each of potato starch, soy sauce, and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. I'm making it using this large Ziploc container, so no pot or no cooking on stove required. Let's cut the onion first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin and slice thinly. Put it in the Ziploc container. Thin slices of pork, 1 cup of water, hondashi, and soy sauce. And try to spread the pork. Frozen udon noodles on top. Put the lid on, but don't set it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave it for 5 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and another 3 minutes at 600 watts. Now, the pork is completely cooked and I don't see any pink part of the pork. If you still see some pink part, do a few more minutes. Now, I'm adding the curry cube. When you look at the back side of the packet, there are 4 blocks, and I'm using just 1 block. So break it in the packet. Put just 1 block. Put the lid back on and wait for 1 minute. Now, the curry cube is softened. Give it a mix and dissolve the curry cube completely. Add 1 teaspoon of water in the bowl of 1 teaspoon of potato starch. Give it a mix. And add to the container. Mix it well. Put the lid back on and microwave one last time. 1 minute at 600 watts. Now, the broth is slightly thickened and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And curry udon for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so easy to make, but it tastes amazing. I wish I knew how to do this when I was a uni student. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kare udon is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here. And it's a soupy dish, so you can pass the soup here. Kare udon contains some pork, so let's pass the main too, but I want to have a little more protein, so how about spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes. Some sort of pickles, either homemade or store-bought for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.